Contec's next-generation trolley system builds on our current line of autoclavable stainless steel and polypropylene multi-bucket systems. The smaller footprint trolley accommodates 2 or 3 polypropylene buckets or 3 stainless steel buckets, and can be fitted with either a standard handle or a utility handle capable of holding additional cleaning supplies. Included are 2 fixed positions to hold mop handles during transportation, and an integrated mop head removal tool which reduces handling of dirty mop heads. The addition of 4 rotating lockable casters and a higher, more ergonomic handle make it easier to maneuver the trolley in tight spaces. Autoclavable polypropylene buckets overlap for stability and spill prevention. Inside you'll find wireframe screens which aid in the removal of debris from the mop face and prevent the mop from touching the bottom of the bucket where particles and dirt settle. Graduated markings, metric and English, help when measuring solutions. Color-coded buckets provide a visual representation of the bucket's contents. Convenient and durable one-piece sieves are available to accommodate flat or curved mops, including Contec's VertiClean Max, Quick Task, and Easy Curve mopping systems.